Essentially what's going on here. The first issue is that, and our principal complaint is we feel that the three federal statutes are being violated by the city of Salinas. That the Voting Rights Act was passed in 1965. This county was one of only 3 counties in the United States that was put under the jurisdiction of the Department of Justice for pre-clearance. And that was emblematic of the discrimination that existed here, particularly against Spanish-speaking people and other nationality minority groups. And so there was at one time at-large voting for city council. That was changed in large part thanks to people like Juan Avila, the legal pioneer and hero, and a battle all throughout this country to have district elections so that a given community could elect its own representative, and that community would not be completely submerged by the majority with an at-large election. That's why we have councilmanic elections here in the city of Salinas. That was the product of a real fight, the same fight that brought about the Voting Rights Act in 1965. There's 2 ways that you can disfranchise, that is, take the vote away from people. One way is to physically stop them from going to the polls. That has been done through violence at times in history. It has been done through gerrymandering, where a district line is mapped in such a way as a minority community will not have the ability to elect its own representative. And poll taxes. Now we see the voter ID, and in many cases these voter ID laws are making it difficult, particularly for older people, people with disabilities, and national minorities to effectively vote. But there's another way. There's another way to rob people of their vote, and that is through the back door. And that is when you elect a city councilman like Jose Castañeda, an outstanding and outspoken leader of the community, and then when that elected representative takes office, the status quo, the representatives of the status quo, either whether they're public officers or private parties, get together and figure out ways to block the effective function of that councilman or councilwoman's duties. That is exactly what has happened to Jose Castañeda, and this illegal public censure, which I'll talk about in a minute, is yet the latest chapter in a series of events that happened even before he was sworn into office to curb his ability to represent the people of the 1st District. And so the theory of our case, the claim we're going to file, is that that is one of the 3 extremely important federal laws that they have violated: the Voting Rights Act of 1965 and also this California Voting Rights Act. The California Voting Rights Act specifically addressed this issue of at-large elections versus district elections. We feel that by imposing rules that have undercut Councilman Castañeda's ability to represent the voters, that they've essentially reverted to the same state of affairs that existed before district elections replaced at-large voting. So we feel that it's a violation of the California Voting Rights Act.